Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour. This tutorial is about how to create a blog in less than 3 minutes. First, you open a browser window and you go to blogger.com. Blogger is owned by Google, so you do need a Google account. Sign in. I'm going to use our imaginary friend Alice Apple's account. You must know the email address associated with the account and the password, the username and password for a Google account. And that's it. Now, this is the very first time Alice has ever visited blogger.com, so it wants to know how she wants to be known. And she has a nickname, Ms. Apple. Continue to Blogger. Create a new blog. Big orange button, create a new blog. You have to give it a title. So this is Ms. Apple. A web address. The only requirement is that it's not already taken. So if I just type Ms. Apple, it will have a .blogspot.com on the end, but it says that that blog address is not available. So let me see. Miss Apple's Live. That is available. You also have to pick a theme. This is the look and the colors, the look and feel. I recommend simple to start with. This can be changed at any time. And create blog. That's it. You now have a blog. It wants to sell you a true domain name, but you don't have to. You can leave it at msappleslife.blogspot.com. And when you get here, you create a new post. You give it a title and then you type whatever you want. When you finish typing, you just click publish. Now, anybody, anywhere can find that blog just by going to the address. What was it? msappleslife.blogspot.com. And there is the first blog post. It started the archives over here. How do I make another post? If Alice is logged in and she's looking at her blog, she can just click New Post over here. And I have something else to say. Now Alice has already written this post somewhere else. I can open up that notepad and copy the text from the notepad and paste into the blog and then publish. Now, taking the shortcut to view the blog, I can see there's that post on top and the first post at the bottom. That is how to make a blog using Blogger in under 3 minutes.